Hello, everybody. This moment, I am here just to let you know that you are on the channel of Felix, a channel that is up to teach people all over the world how to speak English. Not only English, but languages like English, French, Spanish. Everywhere that you are, if you would like to speak English, either English, French, and Spanish, you can go to the channel of Felix Lexandre, and then you will find our videos just to teach you how to speak English without any problem. Don't forget that it's an obligation to subscribe if you want to receive every video that we are going to get for you, and you can share our videos to other people just to let people speak English all over the world. And then don't forget to send us the feedback. The feedback will help us know exactly the way that you receive our videos. Okay, that will be very interesting for us. Okay, today we are going to teach you exactly on some words that you need in the classroom. Okay, some objects that you can find in a classroom. Okay, be ready to get them well. Okay, and by using them you will be able without any problem to speak by using these words. Okay, in the classroom, in the classroom, dans la salle de classe, in the classroom, dans la salle de classe. Okay, pen, pen. Pen means plume. Okay, the pen, la plume. Okay, book, book, livre, book. Okay, pencil, pencil, crayon, pencil. For American English, they say pencil, but for British English, they say pencil. Pour l'anglais américain, on dit pencil, mais pour l'anglais britannique, on dit pencil, pencil, qui signifie crayon. Ok, pencil. Notebook, 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 cahier, ok, cahier de notes, or copybook, copybook, notebook, cahier, ok, bookshelf, 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 étagère de livres, bookshelf, ok, étagère de livres, globe, 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 c'est globe terrestre, ok, l'image pour voir et comment est la Terre, globe terrestre, map, ok, map, c'est carte de géo, map, ok, carte de géographie, board, board, the board, le tableau, the board, le tableau, the wall, wall, c'est mur, ok, mur, le mur, the wall, le mur, claque, 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 réveil, claque, réveil. Mais pour l'anglais américain, they can say clock, okay? Even American English, they say clock up to the where the person is. If the person is in the southern side of the United States, they can say clock. But if the person is in the northern side of the United States, the person can say clock. ok? Si la personne est dans la zone sud des États-Unis, on peut dire clock, ok? Mais si la personne est dans la zone nord des États-Unis, ok? Et on peut dire clack, ok? Because O can give two sounds here, ok? You can find two sounds for O, ok? On peut trouver deux sons pour O, c'est A et O, ok? As people can say job and others say job, okay? They can say God and others say God, okay? This is good English, but for people living like standard English, okay, American standard English, for the northern side they say God, but for southern side they say God. Even for British English, même pour l'anglais britannique, on sonne le O ici comme O pour dire clock, pour l'anglais britannique, ok? Mais pour l'américain, l'anglais standard, on dit clack, ok? Qui signifie réveil. Very good. Let's continue. Built-in board. Ok, c'est tableau d'affichage, ok, tableau d'affichage, juste pour peut-être pour afficher quelque chose, bien, ok, computer, l'ordinateur, computer ou computer, ok, table means table, chair, chaise, okay, the chair, chaise, la chaise, ruler, règle, okay, ruler, règle, desk, c'est bureau, le petit bureau qu'on a dans sa chambre, peut-être, ok, desk, ok, dictionnaire, okay, dictionnaire, okay. These are some words that you can find in the classroom, okay. You may find other objects in a classroom, but we just use these words for you, okay. And then next time we can add some for you more, okay, without any problem. Ok, ce sont alors ces choses-là, ces objets qu'on peut trouver, on peut les trouver dans une salle de classe, mais il y en a d'autres, ok, il y en a d'autres, mais on fait cette vidéo spécialement avec ces objets-là pour vous. On peut les augmenter sans aucun problème, peut-être dans une autre vidéo, ok? So that was a pleasure to be with you, just to let you know some objects that you can find in a classroom, and then don't forget to listen to what we say, and don't forget to subscribe the channel just to receive every single video that we are going to share with you in the future, and to let your friends share our videos to your friends, just to let them receive something special in the English, and something that they can receive not only in the English but in French and in Spanish with teacher Felix. Okay, the channel is Felix Lexandre, a channel up to teach people all over the world how to speak English, French, and Spanish. Bye bye. That was a pleasure to be together. Take care.